Hello students, class 10th. This is your second poem, Fire and Ice. Student, actually I am not showing my face because this is the poem of a small size, so you will be able easily understand if these lines of poem, stanza of poem will be before you and my voice is there and I am trying to make understand by putting my fingers on these lines, and it is necessary to understand the poem easily. So try to make attention on these lines wherever my fingers are, and thus try to understand. If any problem occurs, then contact me. So I am showing here by putting my fingers the whole lines, and you will be able easily to get this by understanding this. And all these poems are the important for the purpose of or from the point of view of the board examination. This poem Fire and Ice also has been written by the same poet, that is Robert Frost, who believes in his lifetime that even the negative things of nature which people or society thinks that these are the negative things and harmful for human life, according to him there is nothing in nature which can be harmful for the human race. Each and everything in the nature for the sake of human being, from the welfare of the human being. So even negative aspects of nature is taken by Frost in the positive way. And as you read earlier poem, that is the dust of snow, and you found that dust of snow, hemlock tree and crow, all these are the negative aspects of nature, has been presented there as positive way, and all those cast positive effect on poets life and poets thinking, and thus poet those aspects, all three aspects saved the life, important moments of life of the poet. In same way, poet is here presenting fire and ice. This fire and ice, these two words are, according to literally, fire means aag, that is flame, and ice means snow. But if we look towards it in allegorical or metaphorical way, then we will find that fire is symbolizing here desire, greed, avarice, means in Hindi you can say lalach, asantosh, etc. And ice represents here negativeness, hatred, anger, etc. So poet here saying that fire and ice means lalach, gussa, lalach, asantosh, etc. And ice means the nafrat, hate, anger, etc. And both are the negative thing. These both are prevailing totally in these days, in this modern time, in the whole society, and causing the lot of adverse effect in the society, becoming the great agent of the loss of the human race, of the loss of the humanity. So poet here says, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Robert Frost. Here, look here. Some say, means some people say, means poet has heard that the world will, one day the world will end in fire, means one day world will in grasp of the fire, means desire, uncontentment, असंतोष, एवराइस, ग्रीड, एट्सेट्रा, मीन्स एक दिन संसार जो है लालच में आएगा, लालसा बढ़ेगी. द होल वर्ल्ड विल बी इन द ग्रेस्प ऑफ फायर, डिजायर, ग्रीड, एवराइस, uncontentment, etc. And some say in the ice, and some people say that no, world will burn, world will destroy due to the ice, that is due to the hatred, due to the anger, due to the distance between two people. But poet further says, from what I have tasted of desire. But poet is saying that from what I have tasted means I have tasted, means I have favored, means poet is saying that he would favor, he will favor of desire, means he will favor that world will destroy, this society, this universe will destroy or should be destroyed from the desire, that is greed, avarice, uncontentment, asantushti. And why is it so? Because poet says that being desire, at least man will be active, he will perform his duty. Desire will make active to the human being, people. And but extra desire, extra greed, extra avarice will lead the destroy of the world. And I hold means poet hold with those, hold means take favor with those who favor fire. And poet says that for desire, poet will take help, take poet will be in the favor of fire, because when fire will be there in the heart of man, desire will arise. And when desire will arise, then desire will push human being towards the greed, avarice, uncontentment, lalach, द्वेष, असंतुष्टि की तरफ जो है मैन जाएगा. एंड व्हेन मैन विल प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स ऑल दिस, he will commit wrong dones and other wrongful activities. He will be active, but be more active, more uncontent, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा संतुष्ट होगा, so that it will cause the destruction of the world. So poet will be in favor of fire because at least man will be active. Again poet says that but means poet is presenting some condition, that but if means in condition it had to perish twice. Perish means destroy, to smash, means if after destroying from the fire desire, grease, avarice, if second time chance comes and world will again destroy second time, then poet think, I means here poet think, poet know enough of hate, means poet will favor of hate also, means poet is saying that he is favoring both fire and hate. That is the hate symbol is ice. So poet is favoring both, means both are fire and ice. Fire and ice both are sufficient to destroy the world anyhow in any situation. But first in comparison of the both, that is fire and ice, desire and hate, first of all poet will favor of the fire, of the desire, because at least fire and desire will make active, at least people will be together. And that is different matter that they are not contempt, that is santusht, they have great desire, great greed, avarice in their heart, and due to this their relationship is going to be broken, they are going to lose the belief, faith on each other. And second time if world will destroy, then poet will again favor of the hate, because hate, that is the ice, symbol of ice, or ice, that is a symbol of hate, it is also sufficient to destroy the world, because due to hate no one will come to each other, everyone will be far away from each other, no one will believe on each other. Here in avarice and greed also there no one will be believe on each other. In due to ice or hate also no one will believe on each other. There will be social distance between both, no affection will be among human being, human race. And thus to say that for destruction ice is also great, and poet is saying that to say means it is saying, it is simple to say that for destruction means to destroy the world ice is also great, means ice is also the sufficient mean to destroy the destruction, means hatred, jealousy, anger, etc. are the sufficient cause to destroy the whole world, and would suffice. And both fire and ice, that is desire, fire means desire, avarice, greed, and ice, that is hate, anger, etc., coldness towards the relationship, all these are will be sufficient to destroy the world. In this way poet want to, this is the literal meaning, and in this way if we look towards the allegorical or symbolical meaning of this poem, then we see that how poet is indicating that nothing will destroy this world, nothing, neither water, neither fire, neither anything, but our desire, our human beings desire, greed, human beings hatred, anger, coldness towards relationship, unbelieveness towards each other, deceitful nature of the human being will be the most important cause, most first cause of the destruction of the world, and thus the existence of the whole human being, existence of the whole human race, existence of the whole world will go in hazardous, will go in the grasp of the destruction. And with the passage of time, this whole world, this existence of the whole human being will come in the compass of the time, and thus the time will destroy the whole world by using the factors ice, that is hate and fire, desire, anger, greed, avarice, etc. Thus Robert Frost shows that how fire and ice can be destructive agent for the whole world, for the human being, and also indicating that if we utilize our fire and ice, that is our anger and hatred, or our avarice, our greed, towards positive way, then this world can be saved. For example, if we have desire in limit, we try to get anything by our toil, by our hard great effort, we hate the bad things, not our relationship but the negative things, we hate, quarrel, fight, then we will be able to survive. This world, this universe will survive. But if we keep anger, hatred with each other, jealousy at each other, we will develop unbelieveness, deceitness among each other, then we will surely destroy this world. So this is the summary of the fire and ice, and listen it. If any problem occurs, contact me, and if you will listen carefully these both poem, the dust of snow and the fire and ice, then you will be able to understand all these. And if any problem occurs, contact me, and by listening these videos, try to write, try to make notes, and I will surely check on the opening of the school. First I will submit the copy to check, to correct, make correction. So listen carefully, whatever listen, note down slow by slow, and then if any problem occurs, contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.